Attracting newcomers. The immigrants who came to Minnesota could have settled in any number of places, so why did they choose this place? For one thing, they'd heard good things about it. Many of the first newcomers who settled in Minnesota wrote letters to their friends and relatives back home. The letters often described Minnesota in glowing terms. A German immigrant named Wenzel Petrin sent a series of such letters to his uncle. Minnesota has a very healthy climate here, beautiful country and natural scenery, and with its clean, fresh air, it reminds me strongly of the northern part of Germany. Politicians, newspaper editors, land speculators, and other recruiters also spread the word about Minnesota. Often they exaggerated the territory's good points. Sometimes they outright lied. Among their far-fetched claims was that disease was almost unheard of in Minnesota. Thanks, they said, to the chilly climate. Well, anyone who has battled colds and flu symptoms or worse during Minnesota's long, tough winters knew that such claims were questionable at best.